So guys, let's look at what God has to do this morning. So yesterday night I had this analysis with my guys and I did two of them. That was before the market opened. Before the market opened, yeah, I did two of them that were expecting gold to continue buy. We had our entries marked out, but of course market didn't tap into it. It just broke above nearly. As you know, markets opening is crazy, so we had a spike here. So this morning I'm still expecting a buy, so but I'll be expecting market to retrace just to this point. We're expecting a buy from this point. Why am I expecting that? That was the breakout of the all-time high we had, or the last high we had. This is a breakout point, and it's just a break and retest entry strategy for this immediate buy. Notes for the immediate buy, because at the end of the day, market is still going to come and fill some of these gaps here. So I'm expecting a buy at this zone later during the day. At this zone, anywhere from this point, 46, 40, 39, thereabout. Then we'll continue. Just 100 pips SL, 100 pips SL. Yeah. So catch up with 400 pips TP. So this is what I'm expecting, guys. Just stay glued to this, and gold is always a crazy stuff. Gold is a crazy pair, right? Gold is a crazy pair, and it does what it pleases. So expecting a buy continuation, good. Yeah, expecting a buy continuation, good. Let's see how this runs. So guys, this year there's something, if there's anything you want to do for yourself, is just to learn to be patient in the market. Right, you could take quick entries from this point, of course, for scalping at 45, 46.55 for scalpers. That is a quick entry you could have there, but of course I'm not a scalper. I wait for the market to do what I need it to do, and then boom, I can confidently enter it. For scalpers, you can enter a buy at this point. You can enter a buy at this point. Coming, guys. For scalpers, you can enter a buy at this point. Yeah, I don't mind my head. Meanwhile, I'm a baker. I'm a cake artist rather, and so I'm already at work. I wanted to do this. I think I'll be doing more of this year, guys. So for scalpers, this is the nearest zone that you could take a buy from. Market should definitely bounce from here. So, but I don't see a buy from here. For me personally, I always look out for something bigger or something better. Quality over quantity, guys. Quality over quantity, guys. Quality over quantity, guys. So you might be hearing background noises. Yeah, I'm at work, and this is my first live on this channel. I'm just trying to test running and see how it goes, and if of course I could be coming up here sometimes and just keep your going in the markets. Right. So this is what I'm expecting for today. for today. Expecting this particular trade to play out. Whatever happens, yeah, cool with it. Since I couldn't get this entry, market open and it was a massive move to the upside. Look at the gap here. We had so much gap here. Look at it. That is crazy, guys. That is crazy stuff. So much gap here, guys. So market will definitely feel that. Maybe probably before the week runs out. Not all. I just feel it up to this point. But for this morning or afternoon per se, by New York section, market should probably come to this POI. Then we are good to go for a buy. For a long buy back to the upside. I'm not in for this short buy. I don't have time for that. This will only give me about 1 to 2. That is 46, 55, 54 to 74. Coming back, that is 200 pips. So 1 reach to 2. It's a good trade for some persons, but for me, I don't like such trades. So this will be my major POI. Then we wait for candle reactions at this very point, for entry confirmations, and you can go all in after that. Right, guys? So stay active as always. Stay active. You don't lock again, sir.
No, the thing will stop. Just on them. Make the thing come out. The thing will take 5 minutes to come out.
So guys, this is my bias for today. This is what I'll be waiting for. I'll be expecting this focus we're expecting this for good this morning. Yeah, kind of. You just have to wait. You just have to wait and allow market to do its thing, and yeah, that is just about it. You have to wait, be patient, allow market to do its own thing. I'll keep you updated on this. But of course, I said earlier, if you're looking for 1 to 2 reward ratio, that's risking 100 pips probably to get 200 pips. You could enter a buy from this point. Yes, you could enter a buy from this point. That is a good RRR as well. Yeah, maybe I could even enter. Maybe, just maybe. But I don't like this kind of trades. Right? So, and for those that don't know, I trade demand and supplies, SMC. I trade smart money concept, and majorly demand and supply is yeah, with few other confluences such as break and retest, illiquidity grab, and all that. Yeah. So and there's a liquidity here, so definitely markets might come to this point before. That is for those buying at this point. Take a cheap view. Don't buy exactly at the market start on this zone. Wait for this a little drop below this point and you just buy. Right. But for me, I expect market to come to this point. This morning, guys. So let's watch out. So for those that are new, this is my first time on a YouTube live, and I'm just trying to test running. Right, I'm test running.